guys, so it's Mr. Gullis, and we made a big change today. We are moving into the Google Classroom for our bell ringers. To get there, you're going to click the Google Apps here and then click Classroom. And then once you're here, you're going to click the plus sign. And once you click this, you're going to select Join Class. At this point, if you're, we're going to do this in class, so if you're outside of class, you're going to email me, and I will make sure in your email you say which period you're in, and then I will give you the class code, and then you'll be able to join that way. For those of you who are just trying to find out what are we doing for the bell ringer and you're already in, you'll just click inside of classwork, and there it is. The question of the day is there for you, so you'll just view the question, and then you'll actually answer the question and number your answer. There's a box on the side that says answers, and you'll put yours there. Notice for those of you in class, you're going to have the link that we need today, whiteboard.5. So you'll click that link, and it'll take you to our next activity. Have a great day.